What's up, everybody? Bo is here. Today, we finally have time to start working on this one. Yes. First, because this one is high, I want to start it from the outside, especially the step bars. We have the step bars here, and also the swivel seats here. These are stuff that I would say easier to install, or something that we probably you need it first because you're gonna go up and down the van, and it's too high to step up and down. So, but since it is too hot right now to outside, I'm gonna start with the swivel seat, which is very easy to do, and it's inside. We start with the swivel seats first, and then maybe when the sun goes down behind the building, we can start the step bars. Let's go ahead and get started. To install the swivel seats, you're gonna have to take these seats out. That means you have to disconnect wires from underneath. Before you disconnect the wires, you have to kill the battery so that you don't get that message, the sensor triggered message on your dashboard, and you're gonna have to take a dealer for resetting it. So kill that computer first. The switch is right to the right side of the gas pedal. Underneath, you have to go from the driver's side. There's a red button there. Push it and then pull it. It's really easy. It's a main kill switch. Let's go and do that first. First, you open this door. Okay, just pop it out and then slide a little bit left, and then just pull it out. And this, I already disconnected the switch. It looks like this, that connects to let's see, that right there. Okay, just press the red and then just pull out backward, and then it comes off easy. I take it back. Since you don't disconnect the power yet, since these seats are powered controlled, you have to kind of slide it forward or backward to have access to loose these screws first. Okay, so that's what I'm going to do. Connect it back, move it forward so we have access. Just loose the screws, and then do it to both sides before we disconnect the power. Once the screws are loose, and then we go ahead, disconnect kill the power for everything, disconnect the switches, and then we remove the seat. Okay, if the seats are not powered, if the manual ones, you don't have to do that, because you can have just the what do you call it, thing to slide back and forth manually. Okay. All right. I am so bad at keeping all my tools together, so I keep on losing my tools. So my niece knows that. So what she did, she bought me a brand new whole set of tools. Check this out. So it's time to put it to use. Wow, look at this. Beautiful. Thank you, the tool. Okay, 4 screws have been removed. 2 back here, 2 front, and 4 on the other side have been removed. Now we can go ahead and disconnect the wire, the switch. It's not that heavy. I've been using this kind of swivel seat base. This is from eBay. I got. It's called Amazing Auto. So this is universal for Sprinter. You got all the holes here. They line up the factory holes nicely, and this is only an inch raise. So to do that, to align the holes, just move the top part side like that, so you have access to these holes, and then the factory screws go back in there. I noticed they did some upgrades on these base. One of them is this used to be just like a one long stick, and then you need to grab and pull it. Now they changed it to circle, which is kind of nice. Okay, and second is the slots right here. These are the lock-in position slot. So if you face forward, it locks in like that, and then when you want to swivel, just move. And there used to be like 2 or 3 of them, so you can just, when you swivel, it locks in a certain position. Now it smooths all the way. You can just turn the seats wherever you want facing, and it doesn't lock. I guess that's better, because every time it locks in, it's kind of too much work, because people get confused. Oh, which way do I push this or pull this? Now just unlock from here, and it goes all the way, and it's smoother. One of the things that Mercedes had designed with the seat is this thing here. It's pointy. It's really I don't know what it's for. It might be for some kind of a locking mechanism. So when you put these, okay, it's right here. When you swivel around, this thing will scrape the bottom part. So what you have to do is shave that off. There are 2 per seat, so one on this side, one on the opposite side. So you have to on every van, I have to shave that off a little bit to get clearance. But yeah, check this out. Since there's no handbrake right here, this thing is so free. You can just swivel. It's not gonna, usually the handbrake is so high, and you have to put like a spacer to get that swivel above it. Right now, clean. To cut it off, I just want to put a piece of cardboard like this, just to protect the shaving from getting inside here. So all you have to cut is right here, just maybe a 1/4 of an inch, just where the sharp point is. See that little line right there? Just shave that off on both of them. You'll be good. Ready. You just cut off a little bit here. So hopefully we have enough clearance right now. And then plug everything back in. Slide the seat forward. Now you'll have access to the 2 holes in the back. So they align perfectly, and this one fits so nice. I'm gonna see. Last time I put washer on top here, it blocks the slide from going all the way to the front. So I don't see anything moving by sliding right now. So I'm putting the 1 washer under, and then 1 washer on the top, and then the nylon lock nut that came with the kit. Okay, let's see if anything blocks that. Yep, putting the washer limits the seat from sliding out more. So you can see the washer's right here, and this has to slide out, but since the washer is too big, it's blocking this channel right here, and it stops the seat right there. So that's supposed to go all the way out here. So let's go ahead and take off the washers. There we go. So taking out the washer, you can see this piece all the way out here. With the washer, it stops right there in the middle. So now sticks out. Okay, seat 1 is ready. Let's go ahead and test it out. Oh, look how smooth it is. Here we go. Smooth. Okay, now you can tilt it backward, forward, and should be good. Oh yeah, just need to tilt it backward a little bit. Oh, this is cool. One down. Okay, seat number 2 is done. Swivel freely, backward, up, and down all the way. Swivel seat is done, everybody. Moving on. This one I also am using the 100% aluminum step bar. This is 6-inch wide. Very light. Okay. This is 97 inches from the front, the passenger, all the way to the end of the sliding door. Since I have done 3 videos on these already, I'm just gonna go real quick. I'm not gonna do the video for all the detail, but this is what I'm gonna do. It looks really nice already. I don't want it to go too low either, because we can't afford to look for more clearance. So this is fine. It's not lower than the splash guard. That's the ideal. Okay. All right. All done. Check this out. Does it look beautiful? Let's see. Yeah. Strong. Papas, look at him. So focus on the ball. You want to help me out, or you just want to play with the ball, huh, bud? You want that ball? You want it? I'm done for today. Very productive day. We did some shopping for the floor today, which is real nice floor. We're gonna show you later when we do the floor. We have installations ready to go. How about the swivel seats? All done too. Not this. Only thing is the short one on the driver's side, and that's it. Alright everybody, thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe, like my video, and please share. If you want to follow me along with this build, it's gonna be exciting one. Please stick around, and see you next video. What's up everybody, this is Bo. Today, there we go. Go where? Where are we going?